Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install apps on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to download and install apps on Chromecast, you're going to use the embedded Play Store. So it's embedded on the system. All you need to do is come over to your Chromecast. On the dashboard, head over to apps, click on apps, and then you have this search bar here. So search for apps and games. That's what you want to go. So click on search for apps and games and type in the application you're trying to download. So in my case, I'm going to just try to type in the Plex application. Alright, and I click search. So I've searched for Plex and I'll see the search results. So you have Plex right there. Plex find movies and TV shows. I'll click on that. That brings me to the app. I already have this app installed. For illustration purposes, I want to show you another app. I'll use the Crunchyroll application. So this Crunchyroll here, so it's for anime streaming. When you search for any app on the App Store, if it's available on the App Store for this device, for the Chromecast, you're going to be able to install it from here. So just click on the install button and that begins the download. So you pen for a while and then you begin to download. Just be patient for the download to complete. When the download hits 100%, you find that there's an automatic install process. So you begin to install automatically. You need to do nothing, just relax and wait for installation to complete. And when the installation is done, you can begin using the application. So 100% means we're completed the download process and we're about to kick on with installing. So it will take just a couple of seconds and the app will be installed to Chromecast. And from there, you can launch the application and begin to use it. So this is the Crunchyroll app for an example. I'm just using Crunchyroll as an example. It could be any app of choice which is available on the Google Play Store. As I said, it's going to use the embedded version of the Google Play Store on Chromecast and it's going to allow you search, download, and then install whatever app of choice. So now that it's done installing, I can just click on open and that will launch the application. So that's it for this video. If it was useful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.